Replace the wire rope. Remove the outer protective cover. Remove the outer baffle. Loosen and remove the screw cap. Start pulling out the wire rope. Remove the pulleys above the main frame. Unscrew the stud cap of the movable pulley. Tighten the stud cap and the movable pulley. Secure with thin nuts. Put the pulley that you just removed back in. Thread the wire rope back along its original route. Install the stud cap. Secure the wire rope and tighten the stud cap. Reinstall the baffle. Reinstall the outer protective cover.